Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this problem on Google Play Store in any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Tap on three dots, then select Special Access. Now tap on Appear on top. Turn off every single option that you are watching on the screen. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Now try to install your desired application. I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.